Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Gasket Kit half door for Crescor part #0861-245K. A gasket kit half door for Crescor part #0861-245K is a replacement part for Crescor commercial food service equipment. It is designed to provide a tight seal between the door and the frame of the equipment, helping to keep hot air in and cold air out. The kit includes 2 gaskets, one for each side of the door, as well as mounting hardware and instructions. The gaskets are made from high-quality silicone rubber that is resistant to heat, cold, and chemicals. They are designed to provide a tight seal that will last for years. The kit also includes mount. This part fixes the following symptoms. This gasket kit is used to replace worn or damaged door gaskets on Crescor half doors. It can help to prevent air leaks and keep the interior of the unit at the desired temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the door from the cabinet. Place the door on a flat surface and remove any screws or hardware that may be attached to it. 2. Unpack the gasket kit and lay out all of the components on a clean work surface. 3. Take the new gasket and begin to install it around the perimeter of the door, starting at one corner and working your way around until you reach the opposite corner. Make sure to press firmly so that it is securely in place. 4. Once you have finished installing the gasket, use a screwdriver to secure it in place with screws. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.